Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to make 2 cool Lego guys and 1 cool gun. Okay? Hope you enjoy it. My name is Ryan Kerrigan, by the way. Thanks. Take some black legs and this black body even with black hands and connect them like that. Then just take a head, any head like that, and then you will take this helmet and then these goggles, then snap it, and snap it like that, then just put it on his head like that. Then that's your SWAT guy. Then take this snow guy body and these legs, Boba Fett legs, snap them like that. Then take this pack thing, then put it like that on his back. Put any head. I'm just putting my favorite head because I think that it's the coolest. And then just take this helmet and put it on him. Go like that. Okay, now to the gun. Get this piece. See? Okay. And take this tiny piece, snap it on that, and then get, I forgot